Well, these potatoes are growing really well. Here we are in early May. It's Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you and all that. And unfortunately they forecast some cold nights this week, so we're just going to do a little bit to offer some protection to these little shoots. Sprinkling some compost over the top there. The rain will wash that off eventually, and put it where we need it, around the roots. But I'm going to do that to all these potatoes, and then I'm going to put a little bit of a cover over there just for a couple of days to keep the frost off. It's going to go down to 1 or 2 degrees, which could well burn these lovely fresh green new shoots. So we're going to give them a little blanket of protection. There we are. I've kind of added some more compost there, and I can see that this one here, I've got a bit of spare bag there, so let's roll him and fold him over. That's him protected. There we go. We folded over the bags where we can, and now I've got this well, it's like a very heavy duty fleece here. It's actually a landscape membrane that you might put on top of soil to stop the weeds coming up. So it's going to just provide a little bit of insulation. Hopefully this bit here, look at that. We don't just throw this show together, you know. That is more through luck than judgment, and it wouldn't keep off a heavy frost, but I think when it's going down to kind of 2 or 3 degrees, actually 1 or 2 degrees I think centigrade this week, that'll just be enough to keep the frost off those leaves. And I think what wrecking the joint here, what I need to do is gently place these on top just in case we get some wind, because we have had some windy weather. Ooh. I know what we'll do there. We'll get a nice heavy pot like these strawberries. Wedge that against there. It may not be pretty, but it's better than losing our potatoes. So I'm going to tidy this up a little bit and we'll be fine. So that's one way. I never said it was the tidiest way. That's one way of protecting your fresh shoots if they're going to give you a little bit of frost forecast. If it was kind of lower than 1 or 2 degrees, if it was going to go below freezing, if it was going to go -1, -2, then we'd just have to manhandle them and put them into the greenhouse or something like that overnight to keep the frost. But that will be fine for the next couple of nights. That's all there is to it.